Hey guys, we're at Computex 2026 and we're at the hotel, Marriott, and Colorful's here. So, we have Jay. Jay, how's it going?
Good.
Tell us what projects you have for Computex 2026.
So for Computex 2026, we set up 4 section like experience zone for the colorful.
Yeah.
The first one, we want to make the media like everyone showing a living room style, like a home style.
Nice. Can I sit
experience
here?
zone. Yeah, well, why not?
Okay, cool.
So we can sit
this
here.
is comfortable, right?
Yeah.
So with this, you got colorful setup here. What have you got here?
Yeah, basically, as you can see, we got 3 different products. First one is the mini PC. That's
the mini PC?
brand new,
Nice,
that's our brand new PC right there. And the another one is our DR90 version, like the new concept of PC.
Desk?
Yeah, it looks like this desk. You can use it as a monitor stand as well.
A monitor stand?
Yeah,
or TV stand?
TV stand as well. And
that's
actually a PC inside of it. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So we put a mini like the IATX motherboard, like specified motherboard for it, put it in there.
Right.
So as a PC, so you can put it everywhere in your home. Like you can even connect to your TV like that.
That's amazing. I mean, you know, because people use living room space now, and a small PC like that fits well. And you have it like a desk kind of PC, which you can use as a stand. Looks great. So inside, usual PC parts, you can upgrade with it?
Yeah, in the future, you still can upgrade with it, even with this like specific part for it.
Yeah.
But I just talked with the product manager, you can swap the motherboard as well.
Oh, right,
yeah,
nice.
As long as you use the IATX motherboard, it still can fit in there because it's still a case anyway.
Yeah.
So basically, you can fit in anything you want.
I didn't even think about that.
So it's just not like an AI or computer, you know what I mean? Yeah.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then move our view to the left side.
Yeah.
As we can see, last year we having the Ultra series in white, like exterior.
Yeah.
So we're making it fully black right now. So you can see that everything will turn into the black.
I do like the graphics. It's got some nice graphics on the glass.
Yeah, we got like glass and then graphic as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a brand new design with the black versions compared to the one we got in white last year.
Okay.
And the next one we move on is the new PC. That is the Ultra Zero PC.
iGame Ultra Zero PC.
Yeah, as you can see inside of the computer, there's one thing is there's no cable in there.
I noticed a power supply in the front here.
Yeah, so you see, the graphic card doesn't connect with the cable. So we use this thing, the little chip here, to supply the power from the PSU.
So this is colorful only, right?
Yeah, at the moment, yeah. We just like supply to the motherboard and it can supply to all
it supplies to the motherboard as well. So notice there's no connectors, no ATX power connectors on the board for the motherboard or the graphics card. So this power supply feeds power to the board. So it's a colorful proprietary design, I guess, but it makes the PC look so aesthetically pleasing. Look at that. Looks so good. So clean. All right, so this is the other part which...
there's a cover for the PSU. Yeah, we're just like taking it apart for people to see inside of it as well.
When do you think it will be on the market?
Actually, it's on the market in China right now.
In China right now.
So we're looking into getting up to the overseas market in the future.
Okay.
So we will update soon. So.
Yeah. It's very unique. I've seen, you know, motherboards more like graphics cards with their own power supplies onto the board, but not a motherboard with its own connector to the power supply.
Yeah, it's kind of like unique idea in the concept as well.
So it's literally, virtually, completely cableless.
Yes, exactly.
Right.
As you can see there.
Yeah, amazing.
For the brand new the RAM book, that will be S1 Plus, L1 Plus. That's the one we have last year. And there's another thing. We are making the Air 14 Ultra. That's our new laptop, but we haven't released yet. It's just like the model one.
So I'm guessing Air means lightweight, right?
Yeah. So it's less than 1 kilograms. So that's just a concept right now.
It's crazy how light that is. I mean, about less than 1 kilo.
Yeah, less than 1 kilo.
That is super lightweight. You wouldn't believe how light this is. I mean, I'm doing this. You can't do that with a normal laptop.
Exactly.
But amazing. Okay.
Yeah.
Is this new?
Yeah, it's a brand new, but we haven't released yet.
Right.
Even we're not sure about the spec right now.
Okay.
Yeah. So it will be to be announced.
These are more high-end.
Yeah, it's more
Like
the
GeForce.
iGame series.
iGame series.
There's the one we just announced in the morning today.
Yeah.
So the first one is the M15. The biggest difference between both of them is the screen size. The M15 comes with the 15-inch and 16 obviously comes with 16-inch, and both screens support up to 300 hertz.
300 hertz. Wow.
Yeah, exactly, 300 hertz for the display. And I think the coolest part for this computer is we got some special features. First one, we come with the AI voice wake up, which just means although your computer is off, you still can turn it on with your voice.
Oh,
so
right.
you just tell it to wake up, and you will just like
Voice activation.
voice activation. Although but it's only available in Chinese right now.
Right.
But we're looking into like making it available in multiple language in the future as well. Another one is we come with the app right here.
So it comes with the app.
Yeah, we come with the app connect to the computer. So we come with the lock, and you can use it like the little remote for the PowerPoint, or use it as a joystick for the game as well. The coolest part is you can lock the computer with your phone.
Oh.
So basically, or even you walk away, the computer will lock itself as well.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so a bit of integration with the phone app and also the laptop.
Yeah, we just try to integrate the phone with the computer so you can work together.
Okay, great.
So next one will be X16 Pro. That's the one we just announced last year as well.
So last year with a higher spec GeForce RTX 5060, and it's good for gaming. It's got, if you notice, it's got a full kind of keypad right here as well. I guess got some good vents for cooling. You need that for GeForce. All right. You also have this laptop
actually,
bag.
Yeah, that's a laptop bag.
It looks nice. It's got a lot of pockets and everything. It's waterproof.
Yeah, obviously.
Of course. You know it's waterproof because you know when it's rolled up like this. Okay, so we've got a laptop bag as well.
Yeah, and this year we're trying to make something different.
Okay,
So
tell me.
we're making our accessories.
Oh, colorful accessories, okay.
So compared to last year, we tried to make our own keyboard. This year, we try to make our own keyboard with our own switch, everything. So it comes with two different, majorly it comes with two different ones. First one is a mechanical keyboard, and another one is a magnetic keyboard.
Yeah. These are getting popular now, I noticed. Magnetic and also the mechanical. I love the keys and the color design, and it matches with your theme, the gaming theme, the iGame theme. Nice, oh look at that, oh, listen to that. It's so smooth. So smooth. These are our own switches. So you make your own switches. This is the Rain Star switch.
Yeah, we call it.
MCL. Chain-based mount there.
We even have the sky blue switch as well.
Sky blue switch. A little bit clickier, which some people like. So this is the sky blue switch. And the Rain Star switch. You notice it's not as clicky. But yeah, people prefer clickiness. It's up to them. But yeah, you've got a TKL size.
Yes.
And also, of course, full-size keyboards.
Exactly.
And these new features include, of course, the dial, okay, and also the LCD, just to give you extra functionality there.
Yes, exactly, with the volume.
These are the new range of accessories with colorful. When are they going to be coming out?
We're not sure yet, but it's available in China market right now. But we're getting released in the overseas market in the future.
Oh,
really soon.
wow, this is heavy.
Yeah, it's really nice and decent size. And
look, this is really. Oh, look at that nice design.
It feels really solid, to be honest.
Solid.
Yeah.
Now I wouldn't do that. I did that with the laptop earlier. I couldn't do that with this. This is really heavy, which is nice because now people like the really nice heavy keyboards, so that they can. It's solid feel, solid structure there. Nice. I like that.
And we just show you the mini PC, right?
Yeah.
So these are the one for the mini PC. So that will be the motherboard inside of the mini PC we saw, and the little the monitor stand.
Yeah, so inside the mini PC you'll have these components.
Yes.
I noticed this is got a nice design on this. Look at the heatsink. So I'm guessing it's for mini PCs, of course. You might build up heat, but then you got maybe a fan cooler, and this heatsink looks pretty solid, which makes it nice, of course, to cool the whole system.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's talk about the basic model. The basic model last year we have the Battle AX.
The Battle X. Okay.
Yeah, Battle X here. but this year we come with the Plus S version.
Plus S.
Which means we use better material for the cooling.
Yeah.
And we do have 2 more slots for the RAM system as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's our brand new like.
So even though this is kind of like the entry level,
yes,
you still have nice features. Look at you have the button for your release graphic card. You also have quick release for your heatsink, which again you don't find on most entry level boards, but more expensive boards. But yeah, it's really nice. It's nice, easy there. DDR steel slots here for your DDR RAM there. Again, very nice. Steel slots there.
Yeah.
So you have 2 models, or 3 models in fact?
Yeah, we got 3 models. Yes, 3 models, 50, 60, and 760.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, and that's our graphic card for the BattleX
BattleX series.
Yeah.
So again, more affordable, more entry level.
Yes.
This was DDR4 even. Yeah, we have DDR4 RAM even, and this is the DDR5 version.
We do have a UDFI file as well.
Yeah, and then also your usual graphics card from a BattleX series. And these are your SSDs?
Yeah, that's our SSD as well. Yeah. Last year we have the white version of Vulcan ARMOR PC.
Yeah.
And this year we're making black one now.
Oh,
so
this is
all the components we put together, they'll be like this.
This is the black edition?
Yes.
Notice guys, this is not a fan or a radiator, it's actually a display card. This is the graphics card right here. And of course you have the usual removable module there with the LCD, which displays up when you power it, but this will provide extra cooling because it's not inside the case. The graphics card is actually part of the case.
Exactly. Yeah, it's the side of the case,
Yeah,
but it's really good for cooling. Everything.
And it looks great because those is the type of concept PC I've seen before where you don't need to put the graphics card inside the case. It's actually part of the case.
You need to think of it like just squeezing in the 5080 in an ITX case.
Yeah, and then of course you have the power supply there. It's a mini ITX system.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. Of course, using all colourful products. And like this, you can angle it, or you can just put it flat like this.
Yeah, you can put it flat as well.
Yeah, the power supply is right there. Very nice. And you can see it is just the GeForce graphics card in that slot there. It's not a radiator, it's not a cooling fan, it is the graphics card itself. Very nice, very nice. So this is the black edition.
Yeah.
Very nice. Thanks for your time, Jay.
No worries.
Have a great
Let me know if you guys get any questions.
And of course, with iGame and Colourful, there'll be many more products, and hopefully to see some more soon.
Yeah, no worries.
Okay.
I will get you updated.
All right, great.
No
Thank
worries.
you.
Cheers.